Hey everyone, it's technology expert Burton Kelso with Integral here, sharing another tech tip to help you get the most out of the technology in your life. Today we're here to talk about Facebook Messenger, and it's Facebook spying on your messages that you're sending out through Messenger. A lot has come out in recent weeks about Facebook in light of the Cambridge Analytica scandal. Not only did Facebook willingly give up names, it also was revealed that Facebook is allowing third-party apps to spy on your precious information. Most people should know that Facebook is a free service. There are some paid features, but in the internet, if the service is free or the product is free, that means that you are the product. So is it true that Facebook is scanning your messages so that they can kind of build a profile of you to sell to advertisers? Who knows, but do you want Facebook to be really scanning your messages? Well, luckily there's a way that you can keep that information safe. I'll show you a little bit about Facebook Messenger, some of the features, and how you can keep your messages safe. We'll switch screens like we always do and take a look at Facebook Messenger. All right, so I think at this point everyone knows how to get into Facebook Messenger on their desktop computer, and hopefully they know how to get to it on their laptop computer too. We're going to take a look at the desktop, and then we'll look at my iPhone using my favorite program that allows you to see what's going on my iPhone, a PowerSoft's phone manager. So anyway, let's look at Facebook Messenger. So there's messages. So I got a message not too long ago. And if I want to look at messages, I can look at recent messages that people have sent me. I can also look at message requests, see what's going on. I can send out a new group message. And then finally, I can just create a plain old brand new message. And just type a person's name in, and then I can send them a message. You can also, on your desktop, without going into Facebook, is just go to messenger.com. All you do is bring up your favorite web browser, type in messenger.com, like I have, hit enter, and after a few seconds, Messenger pops up on your device without having to log into Facebook and see what's going on. Let's see here. Let's click on Savvy Agent and go in there. Then we've got my nice picture, and there you go. So back to Facebook. Now, there's another way of getting into Messenger, and that's from your app. So that's where we need to go in order to turn on secret messages. But keep in mind, on your desktop, you can't do secret messages on your device or on your computer. All you can do is create a new message. You type in a new message, and then it's possible that Facebook, or if someone hacks into your account, can see what's going on. But let's go to a smart device like my smartphone through a PowerSoft's phone manager. Let's make that full screen, and let's log into my phone. And then after a few seconds, we're in my phone. So now we've got to find Facebook Messenger, which is in the list of icons that I have. Now, what you have to do in order to get Facebook to be secret, we need to go in and turn on secret messages. So let's go into secret messages by going into your settings. And the way you get to your settings is up here at the top with your picture on your smart device. So let's go ahead and click on Me. And then once we're on Me, then we need to scroll down in the list and go down to Secret Conversations. Once we're under Secret Conversations, we need to make sure that that's enabled. It's enabled on my smart device, but I went ahead and turned it on. And then you can only assign Secret Conversations to one device. Well, it looks like you can do multiple, but according to Facebook, you can only do one device. So once we have Secret Conversations enabled, we need to go back to Done. Once we're in Done, we just need to click on the message icon. Oops, let's go back there. So let's click on the message icon to create a new message. Once it pops up, Then you need to go to secret, which is up here in the upper right hand corner. Once you're under secret, you can choose who you want to have a secret conversation with. So we'll choose my friend Sang. And as you can see, conversation that I would have with Sang would be encrypted across our devices. So what I send to Sang or whoever is going to be private. And when you type your message down in the lower right hand corner down here or in the middle of the screen, then you can choose a time interval as far as how long that secret conversation is going to be. You can make it seconds. You can turn it off. If you turn it off, then that just means the conversation is off, or it not off, but the conversation is still encrypted. But you can make the message disappear as well by setting up to a maximum of 1 day in order to keep that conversation safe. And so anyone that you're friends with on Facebook, you definitely can have that secret conversation with them. So it doesn't matter if I choose a conversation. Whoops, let's go back. We've got to go up here and go to secret first. So it doesn't matter who I talk to. My list of friends are in there. So if I click on secret and then choose a friend, then I can have a secret conversation with that person without worrying about someone prying on my conversation. Now, one other thing, and I know a lot of people ask about that, let's go to my public profile page. And what about my conversations there? Well, that doesn't happen. So, unfortunately, if we go to the inbox on your profile page for your business, better yet, let's go to Integral. So let's go to Integral and then let's go to Inbox. You go to Inbox and have a conversation with someone, which is not part of Messenger. It's just out in the open, and then you can see, what is going on. So you can go to mark a message as spam that you can block people. You can mark it as unread. You can highlight the message. But as far as composing a message with your inbox, with your page, it's just like regular mail. So you really need to be careful what information that you share with your message if you do have a public profile page, because there's no way that you can go in and have a secret conversation on your public profile page or on your business Facebook page. The secret conversations only deal with your Facebook messaging app on your smart device. So keep that in mind. So as always, if you've got comments and questions about Facebook Messenger or other tech tips, leave them in the comment section below. Would love to hear from you to find out what tech tips you would like to see in future videos. Speaking of videos, be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel. There's tons of videos there that are designed to help you get the most out of the technology that you use and make your digital life easier. Same thing with all our social media accounts. Be sure to follow us, meaning follow us as an Integral or myself, Burton Kelso, the tech expert, as far as tips and tricks on our social media channels to help you be more affluent and comfortable in the digital age. So I love people, I love technology, and I'm here to help you get the most of technology and make it fun and simple for you. So folks, as always, take care of yourself and do many things to make you smile. And thanks for watching.